Welcome. If you want to change apps permission in your Huawei MateBook D15, you have to go for the settings, find privacy, then go for the app permissions right here. So the first, you can disable or enable permission to location by tapping on the switcher for apps. The same for the camera, microphone, voice activation, notifications, and other stuff that we have right here. But basically, if you want to adjust the exact application permission, for example from maps, and you don't want to get maps to stay up to date or send notifications or receive information, you can unselect them from this list. So as you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.